Adam, what are we doing today?
We are going to sort the van out ready for when we go travelling, so that we're not just searching through boxes and boxes of stuff for the thing that we need.
I'm not even sure what we've got in here anymore.
That's why we're going to sort it out.
Cool guys, so what we've realised is we've only got 4 weeks left till the end of the season. Adam's little bum dance. And we've totally forgot what's in the van, what's not in the van, what's where, all that sort of stuff, and we've obviously got to be living in this when we finish. So we decided we used today because it's quite sunny and we've already had a couple hours off in the afternoon, so I thought we'd use this time to work out what we've got, what we haven't got, arrange it all nice and neatly, so hopefully it'll be ready for when we want to go off in it. Where the hell are we going to start?
Well, I think we start with the boxes.
Okay. Ah! Wasp! Oh no, it's not a wasp, what is that? Cooey!
It's just a little fly.
What the hell? We've been using this thing, which is like a dehumidifier, and basically we've been using it while we've been here just in case there's any moisture kind of left in the van. So we'll probably, I'll be honest, when we start travelling in it more, we've got the windows open more, things like that, we probably will get rid of it because it is a bit annoying. As soon as we start driving, because we've forgotten about it, it just like flops over, it gets on my nerves. But yeah, it's good if your van's sitting for a while in the winter. Right. What's in the boxes?
So I think them two are medicines and toiletries.
Right.
So if they have the same colour lids, and then we can label them up.
I've got two pink ones. That's pink one. What's the other one? Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's the other one. And then what we got? This is like cleaning stuff. So maybe the cleaning one has the green lid, and then these two are like miscellaneous, so they have purple lids. Alright guys, so we've literally just gone through every one of those coloured like boxes that you saw, and we've labelled everything, haven't we? So we've literally gone through and just been like, I don't know,
that's in them. Yeah,
like toothpaste, toothbrushes, and then we've just made a list. So it's going to look like this. I'll show you. So each box now has got a label that kind of refers to what it is, and then on the side it'll have another label, and you can see it just like lists everything that's in it. And we've done one for each of the boxes. So hopefully, because you can see that in that cupboard there, the stack on that top shelf, but it's a bit of a nightmare in it, Adam, to get them out sometimes.
Yeah, so we'll be able to see which ones kind of we need without having to get every box out and be like, oh, where's that thing gone again?
Do you remember that? What was it we wanted that time when we went through every box and it was in the last one?
Yeah, I can't remember, but
it was a joke, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So this should help us in theory be more organised. In theory. Alright, let's stick them together. Alright, so all the boxes are done. They're all labelled up. Looks way more organised, don't you think, Ad?
Yeah. Much better.
Good work.
Now we just gotta put it back in.
Why have you turned American?
I don't know.
Dead hillbilly. Alright, so we've packed everything back. You can see that top shelf's pretty rammed, but when we're living in the van, a lot of this stuff will come out. So like the water tank, for example, will come out, and we'll utilise things like these hangers a little bit more. But while we're travelling, we just like to keep everything like in one place. But we've managed to cut like the stuff down way better. And in this top one, that's like all our like cooking utensils. So we've got like pots and pans, the cooker, utensils, a flask, things like that. So that's where all that lives. But yeah, we've done quite a good job at like bringing it down, don't you think, Ad?
Yeah, it's looking good now, isn't it?
Yeah, so it's pretty good. The only thing that really annoys me about our van, or like the placement, I like I've got an afro. The placement of it is the table, this thing. We did have some fittings for it, but where we intended to fit it, it didn't fit. So we have yet to find a solution to fit this in the van. So if anybody has an idea of where it could fit, we've thought about maybe on this wall here. I don't know. If anybody has a solution, or if anybody has a similar setup to a van like this, let us know where you fit your table when you're not using it, because it's doing our nutting. Isn't it, Ad?
Yes, it is. Just finished doing all the stuff in the van. Last video we posed a question for you, where did you think we were going? And a few people have had a pretty good guess, but no one's got there yet.
No one is right, Ella. No. We've had Greece, we've had Germany, we've had Switzerland, Italy, France. We're already in France, but we've had France.
Good guess, because we've got to go somewhere else in France before we leave it.
So yeah, I guess you're kind of right. But yeah, we've had loads of guesses, because I posted a poll over on Instagram as well. We've had quite a few guesses, but no one has guessed the right answer yet. So we're going to give you another clue. There's lots of beaches. But yeah, drop it in the comments if you know where we're going, or you think you know where we're going. Because we're not going to tell you until someone guesses it right. But yeah, so we've got loads more room in our van now. I'm much happier with the organisation. But I was right, we've not got any knives.
Yeah, we need some
like
knives.
Chopping knives for like
some multi-tool knives, but probably some kitchen knives might be a good idea.
Yeah, like chopping veg and chopping meat up, else we're going to be there with like a full pepper and not being able to chop it up, which would be a bit annoying.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we need to get some of them. We've worked that out, but otherwise I think we've got pretty much everything we need.
Yeah, pretty much, I think.
So yeah, if you like this video, give us a like and subscribe as always. If you're not already, go over to Instagram, follow us on there.
And if you have already, we love you.
We love you. I've only got one hand free. We love you. But yeah, go over, give us a like. We post loads of pictures on there, so you'll see more kind of day-to-day stuff over there. But yeah, so drop it in the comments. Guess where we're going next. We've only got 4 weeks left. 4 weeks. It's gone so fast, hasn't it?
I know, spring's definitely here though.
Look at this, blue skies.
Blue sky, sunshine, warm. I'm literally in my jeans and t-shirt and roasting. Someone
find a cloud, because there is none. No clouds.
No.
Alright, see you soon guys.